Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Elementary Algebra, Problem 93. This is the Elementary Algebra ACCUPLACER Review, Problem 93. It says if 3 equals m over m plus 2, then m equals which one of the following options? Now, what makes this tough is you've got this fraction here. So if you're really stumped, you can just start plugging in the different options they give you and see when you get 3 equals 3, and that will give you the answer. But how do you do it with actual algebra? Well, what makes it tough is the fraction, m plus 2. Well, I can deal with that. Remember the rule for algebra, when you have an equation, you can do anything you want as long as you do the same thing on both sides. So what I want to do on both sides is multiply times something that will cancel that denominator. So on the left, I will do m plus 2, the denominator, times what's on the left, equals the right side, m over m plus 2, times m plus 2. That's legal. I did the same thing on both sides. So now, on the left side, 3 times m plus 2, so 3 times m is 3m. 3 times 2 is 6, positive 6, pay attention to the side. And on the right, some stuff over m plus 2 times m plus 2. The m plus 2's cancel, leaving you just what was there before, which is m. So now I have 3m plus 6 equals m. That looks much better. So I'd like to get the m's together on one side. So let me start with that. So I have some m's on the left, some m's on the right. I don't really want to do that. So let me pull this m over here, basically. So I'm going to do minus m on both sides. So when I do that, 3m minus m is 2m plus 6 equals m minus m. I have 0. Now what I'd like to do is m on one side, 6 on the other. So to deal with that, let me do minus 6 on the left side of the equals, minus 6 on the right side of the equals. So now I'll have 2m equals, plus 6 and minus 6 cancel on the left. On the right, 0 and minus 6 is negative 6. 2m equals negative 6, getting closer, but I want to know what m is, not what 2m is, so divide away the 2. Left side of my equation divide by 2, right side of the equation divide by 2. 2m over 2 is m. Negative 6 over 2 is negative 3. Again, don't lose the sign. As I look at my possible options, my answer of negative 3 is one of the options. So the answer for problem number 93 is option D.